the first time you use the machine, we need to proceed with a general cleaning of the machine. This means that we need to brew a full tank of water to inside cleaning. We take the mug like reference and fill the mug to the level 10 cup. After that, we put this cup in the water tank. This is your new Gevi machine 1025A. Now I introduce the main part of the machine. In the frontal part we have the on-off button and then some settings selection. On the right side we have the button for programming and then the button for grinding function on-off and the button for control the strength of the coffee, so means how many powder we can use. On the left side we can select the quantity of water we want to use and then the two buttons for setting the timing. We have one mug in glass, so careful because it manages slowly because it's glass, so easy to broken, and also with coffee become very hot. If we open the door, inside we find a coffee dispenser with the net for the grinding coffee. On the top of the machine, the grinder with the cover and the knob for select the size of the grinding. Already fill the mug with water to the around 10 cup, then we proceed to fill the water tank. Open the water tank cover and then we put all water in the tank. Very important tips. Also the water tank have the level about the quantity of water we put inside. It's very important don't pass the maximum level indicator in the tank, because otherwise we have a leakage water from the hole in the back that is a safety hole for don't to take under control the quantity in the tank. So very, very careful, don't pass the maximum level mark in the tank. Now we can plug the power cable. The display switch on and the light flashing. We put the mug down the machine. In this case we use the button about the grinding. We switch off the grinding because it's only washing time now. And then we push on to start the brew. Waiting the machine warming up and then let brew all the water in the tank. When the machine finish to brew all the water in the tank, a 3-tone buzzer advise use that the process is finished. We can remove the mug and throw the water.